I've been given one of these Famag boring bits to try out, 30mm, which are a very high quality German made tool using German steel from Scott+Sargeant. You can see they're high quality. There's small chip limiters. Can you see the actual cutting face is not square, it's got a very slight tooth on it, probably about 0.5 mm, which will give you a tooth breaking effect. It's also got a very interesting center point, which is that can focus there, which is designed for better penetration of the material, and it has this serrated edge to it, which Famag tell us gives you better chip clearance and stops heat build-up. It's a patented system. Tool also has a hex shank, so it obviously stops all that frustration of things spinning in the chuck. So let's put it in and just see what happens. I will just try this out on a bit of end boring first, end grain boring rather. So here's a comparison. This is the Famag one, German steel, quite a protruding center point, much better tooth form around the edge and the grooves for the chip clearance, and a hexagonal shank so it doesn't slip in the chuck, which big bits are prone to do. This is a rival manufacturer, the standard serrated tooth form, single blade here as opposed to the Famag, which has got chip breakers all along the blade. A round shank, obviously that does make it inclined to slip, and it's got a deeper body on this actually, but that makes it more liable to heat up. So on the Famag, as you can see, the main cutting blade there has got a slight indentation on it, about 0.5 mm, which gives you a better chip clearance, breaks up the chip, and gives you a cleaner cut. As you can see, here's the hole that we've cut with the Famag one. We'll do a comparison with the alternative manufacturer now. So this is a conventional bit. We can't disclose the manufacturer obviously, because the Famag is a superior tool. So anyway, here we go. Let's try drilling a hole, same size. This is the hole from the Famag one, and this is the one from the alternative manufacturer. We just drilled this hole. I can't actually touch that, it's hot. The Famag one was certainly not that hot. I can't actually keep my thumb on that. So that was at the point of really starting to burn. It hasn't burnt yet because I took it quite slowly, but you can see the difference there really.